Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Apple CarPlay not working in Audi. This tutorial will work for all of the Audi Q models and also the Audi A models. So if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So what you need to do, guys, is just go to your navigation screen right here. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look like this. And then once you guys are here, go ahead and look for telephone in your main menu. Give it a click. And then go ahead and click on the right key. Then here you're gonna find connection manager, Bluetooth settings, and so on. Go ahead and click on connection manager and then click on primary phone. So basically, guys, one of the reasons why maybe your phone won't connect to your car is maybe because there is too much devices that are saved on your car. So try to remove a device that you don't use anymore. So just click on the right key and then you're gonna be able to delete the device so easily from here. Try to delete it and then go back to this page and try to connect your phone again, and it should be working normally. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.